Namaskaram. This is Alagesan. Welcome to my page, Vedic Priest from Boston. We visit many Shiva temples in our lifetime. But do we ever stop and ask what kind of Shiva Liṅga we are worshipping? Not every Shiva Liṅga is man-made. Not every Shiva Liṅga is installed by humans. Our Shaivagama reveals one thing surprisingly. When we enter a Shiva temple, we bow with devotion. But we never stop to ask one question. What kind of Shiva Liṅga is this? Is this self-manifested? Or was it installed by devas, sages, or humans? Our Shaivagamas give a clear answer. They say there are 7 types of Shiva Liṅgas, and all of them are revealed in just one shlokas. Swayambur Daivikam Chaiva Divyamanusha Marshakam Rakshasam Banalingancha Saptaite Linga Muchyate. Let me explain them one by one. The first one is Swayambur Linga. Swayambur Linga means a self-manifested Linga, which is not carved and which is not installed by the humans. It appears naturally by divine power. For example, Achishwara temple in Acharapakam and Marandishwara temple in Tiruvanmayur. Number 2 is Daivika Lingam. Daivika Lingam is worshipped by Parvati in many places. For example, Kapalishwara temple in Mylapore, Ekamarashwara temple in Kanchipuram, and Mahakalakanda temple in Ambar Makalam. Next is Divya Lingam. The Pradishta done by Devas is called Divya Lingam. For example, we can say Amriteshwara temple in Tirupalaivanam, Vaidyanatha Swami temple in Vaidishwaram Kovil, and all the Navagraha temples. Next is Manusha Linga. Manusha Linga is installed by the human beings, like for example Bharatishwara temple in Tanjavur and Gangaikunda Solapuram temple near Tanjavur, and all the temples which is built by the humans and all temples established by the king. Next is Arshakalingam, which is installed by the great rishis. For example, we can say Agattishwara temple and Ravishwara temple in Vyasarpadi in Chennai. Next is Rakshasalingam. Rakshasalingam is installed by Asuras and who are also a great bhaktas of Lord Shiva. For example, Mahabaleshwara temple in Gokarnam that is installed by Ravana, and Arunajateshwara temple in Tirupanandal near Kumbakonam. The final is Banalinga. Banalinga is naturally formed Shivalinga, which is mainly found in Narmada Nadi, and they are associated with Banasura. The Banasura with 1,000 hands, and who is the great Bhakta of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva blessed him with 14 crore Shivalingas. After the worship, the Banasura placed them in the river, the mountains, and in many places like Narmada, Nepalam, Kanya Tirtham, Amareshwara regions. They are called Banalingas. This is prescribed in Kamikagama. Bano nama suraf proktaha sacha siddhyartha madharat prarthayamasa pujartam lingani vividhani cha datva linga kotinam chaturdasa maheshwaraha tani sampujya kalante स्थानेष्वेतेषु न्यक्षिपत् लिंगाद्रौ कालिका क्षेत्रे श्रीशैले कन्यकाश्रमे कन्यातीर्थे च नेपाले माहेन्द्रे चामरेश्वरः अन्यत्र च नदी मध्ये पर्वतेषु विशेषतः. Apart from these 7 agamic classifications, there is a special form of Shiva Liṅga known as Ganapalinga. Ganapalinga, which is worshipped by Subramanya and Ganesha, the Ganas of Shiva. This Linga is round in shape. In Tiruchendur temple, after the Surasamharam, Lord Subramanya worshipped the Shiva Liṅga in Tiruchendur temple to be freed from the sin of killing Surapadman. That Shiva Liṅga is in round form and that is called Ganapalinga. and also called Panchalinga in Tiruchendur temple. So now you know, according to our Shaivagama, Shivalingas appears in 7 forms. Each form tells us a different story of devotion, bhakti, tapa, and divine grace. But remember one thing, though Shiva appears in several forms, Shiva is one. He accepts devotion from devas, from human beings, and even from asuras. That is the greatness of Lord Shiva. Now I have a question for you. Do you know any Shiva temples that belongs to one of these Linga category? If you know, please comment the name of the temple and mention which type of Shivalinga it is, exactly as explained in this video. Let us learn together by sharing the knowledge of our temples. See you soon in my next video. Om Namah Shivaya.